Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 2 for the hyperpigmentation category, and I want to talk about my treatment plan for Catherine. We will be meeting in the treatment room weekly. Weeks 1 and 5, I'll do intense pulse light with cryotherapy and very superficial microneedling. Weeks 3 and 7, we are going to do a medium depth peel with ingredients that are going to target the pigmentation and increase cell turnover. And keeping injury response in mind, I don't want to exfoliate every week, especially after those more advanced treatments. So in weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8, I'm going to be doing a repairing albumin conditioning mask that will really repair the skin, as well as cryotherapy in those treatments to really help calm inflammation and reduce melanocyte activity without doing anything exfoliating. I'm also going to be prescribing a home care routine that includes a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Nothing with actives in it to really support the active ingredients. She's going to be on a couple pigment inhibitors that are going to inhibit all 5 steps of the melanogenesis process, as well as antioxidants to protect the skin. She's going to be on a retinoid that's going to help to increase cell turnover, and she is acne prone. I really have to keep that in mind and really keep her acne at bay while kind of tweaking this treatment plan more towards pigmentation. So she's going to be on a benzoyl peroxide that's going to really help keep that acne at bay, as well as a salicylic acid that's going to exfoliate the skin and really help with any congestion that could lead to breakouts. Some of her treatments are going to have these superstar acne ingredients as well. So we are mindful of that and keeping that acne at bay, and she's not experiencing any inflammation from acne while on the program. Of course, diet and lifestyle is super important when treating pigmentation as well. Catherine loves to indulge in hot showers and hot yoga. Both of these things really stimulate melanocyte activity because of the heat. So these are things that she's going to limit. She's also going to be on a supplement internally that's going to really help to reduce inflammation in the body that can also exacerbate some pigmentation as well. So we have a full approach to the pigmentation. I'm super excited to see the results we can achieve in 8 weeks, and I will keep you updated next week for video 3. Thank you.